and girls. Today we're playing with Paw Patrollers. That's Rubble.
Papa.
Yes.
Rubble.
Rubble. He has helmet, ears.
Это Шубиный.
No, he's a Paw Patroller. So you all know Rubble?
Papa.
If you watch... Yes.
Jungle. Jungle.
This is
Jungle.
Trackers.
Папа, это jungle.
Jungle.
Да, jungle.
Jungle. So you know, if you are watching Rubble, you know Rubble from Paw Patrol, but this is a new character. His name is a Tracker, and he's a ranger.
Папа.
New figure.
Папа.
Yeah.
А дай чик.
Tick. Here is a tick.
Чик. Так.
Come on, up. Yeah.
Это.
So
Ух, тогда.
this is Rubble's Diggin Bulldozer. No, Mila, don't cut my hair, please. So let's get Rubble from the trouble.
Jungle.
Here is Rubble.
Отдай машинку.
Here comes the machine.
Это jungle. Эй, куча.
Now let's get this car.
Ноги бегай. Я бегаю.
So this is Bulldozer of Rubble, and I am going to get out our new friend Tracker. Look at this puppy. Wow, so cool.
Puppy!
Here he is.
Отдай папе. Папа.
Yes,
Отдай папе.
here's the puppy.
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 Нет. Ой. Пойдем. Так, ты. Мафу. Ой.
So Rubble and Tracker are getting ready for their new mission, which is going to take place deep in the jungle.
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 Эй, моя машинка. Моя машинка.
So, and here is Tracker's Jeep. So now, I'll show you. His
Jungle.
all-terrain vehicle. Neil, can I have my new friend here? I can put him aside. Down.
Я машинка,
Jungle from the jungle. Here. Now, these two brave, courageous friends come together and they will go to the jungle to save the newfound species of monkeys from danger, because some evil corporation is trying to cut the trees which monkeys live on. So Tracker and Rubble are going to save them.
Коляску.
Okay, now. Uh-huh. Yep. Yep. La 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 la. These two friends. Okay, I'll show you. Here is Rubble in his bulldozer. So much power in this little guy. He can lift. Well, this is just a practice. The Paw Patrol is practice. Rubble has a jet bulldozer. She can go very fast. Here we go. Rubble and Tracker. Two amazing friends from Paw Patrol. So, thank you for watching, dear friends. Bye-bye.